Alright, this is my new bike check. Start with the bars. We have the new S&M like hoder bars. Hoder. In chrome, obviously. Audi long neck grips with the smallest monolever with the shadow purple cable. Stolen bar ends, purple. Forks. We have the CS2 Oddessy race forks, and then Duo front tire, purple valve caps, stolen revolver blue rim, headset's an FSA. The stem is a Shadow Attack front load stem. Seats, Duo, Rogue status seat, pedals, Oddessy Ocean Blue twisted pedals, profile cranks, Hoffman Dinky sprocket. As you can see right there, I have two different chains, so there's two different master links on. There's the other one. Nitrous, purple, back rim, double shot. It's holding up pretty good. I'm very surprised about it. Animal, GLH, R. So, this means that I was right in my debate on a GLH could be a front or a back. Obviously, I bought the back because it says R. So, and, the frame. Frame is a 2009 simple Enigma V2. And everything's integrated. As you can see, it has the new integrated everything. Spanish BB. Oh, and a shadow spindle. Nail seat post. And Oddessy Evo 2 brakes. And that's my bike.